This isn't going to stop anytime soon.
Alright, come on Dad, pants on, time to get up. Dad's having his coffee so that we can go and do Christmas.
Sam would like to. Santa left a note. This is it. Hello girls, thank you for my snack. I'll leave the elves with you and pick them up from the answer when you get home. Well, Santa.
Everyone get your stockings. Bonnie, you get daisies. That daisy.
Oh my god.
Flip across. Warwick Le Lagon to have breakfast for Christmas.
Yep. Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna have pancakes. And
See if you guys remember this place.
This is where we came for our honeymoon.
How old was I?
3 years ago? 4 years ago? 4 years.
How was I?
4 years ago. You were, no, she was 2.5. It was 2018.
I won't remember.
4, yeah.
I won't.
So let's go get some breakfast, yeah? Everyone out of the car. This is their like conference rooms in here. It's beautiful, isn't it?
I'm 6. Mom.
No, because we're not staying here for the day. We're just having breakfast, yeah?
Lucky because I'm 6 and I said I'm 7.
So, just went to get breakfast, but you have to pay at the front office, so everyone's waiting over there. Now we'll go get the breakfast pass. What are you doing? Can you explore here? Mum finally gets to sit down for breakfast. Everyone's pretty much finished, hey?
Yep.
Alright, have a good day. Say Merry Christmas to everyone for us. Alright, bye. Girls.
Well, that completely goes to a different.
So, progress update. Kitchen's halfway in. We've got our little cabinets here. So sink's gonna go in there. Washing machine here. We've chucked our 600 cabinet out there for the time being, because because we don't know what's happened, but our kitchen seems to have shrunk. So we've got the 900s in, washing machine there. This will be my bench space straight along here. And then pantry cupboard and space for our fridge. So now it's time to bring in the bench top. No, not bring. Oh, the washing machine. Yes.
Otherwise, we're going to try and push it under the bench top. So if we put it in now.
Oh, okay. It might seem a little bit peculiar to some, but we've been together long enough that we no longer need to communicate with words. It's a series of eyebrow raises and nods, and we understand each other. Imagine if it's the wrong height. No one measured the height of the washing machine.
They're all the same.
Okay, so washing machine and then bench top. Cut the bench top to size because, so from my calculations, this is like 2.5 meters and our bench top is 3.2. So we're gonna have to cut that down there and then cut the sink in. Is that it?
That's it.
Awesome.
You helped today, didn't you, Bonnie?
Yeah.
You didn't sleep in your hammock or anything, you helped.
Yeah.
Very good. You're very strong carrying all the doors in.
Good job.
And look, there's not a single ding on any of them. Man, look at this. Pouring down again. Every time this happens, I've got to stop what I'm doing and try and get tarps up. Well, that's not the worst part. Look at this. You buy these doors, they're meant to be weatherproof. Look at it running down. You know, I just put cabinets in.
Even if you put me in air.
What a shit.
Look, Dad, it's Christmas. Worry about it another day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.